crazy because last time we came it was nighttime. It was so packed. This place is crazy. Yeah.
Rosemary salt on the side as well as a caramelized lime. Mustache. Y'all stop what y'all doing, go hit that subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, like this video, like the last video, like the next video. We're gonna keep running these numbers on up, man. Back downtown, back over here in Brickell in Miami, we're getting ready to grab some lunch for today. We ain't eat no breakfast, but to grab some lunch over here at Sexy Fish, and then probably kick it down here on South Beach for a minute. I don't know what else we getting into today. It's Friday, so you know we ain't got no job today. We ain't got shit to do, so we're gonna get into something. So make sure y'all stay tuned.
Did you look into that stuff for tomorrow?
Yeah, but I was tired.
You playing?
I ate that food, it was a wrap.
Why you be playing?
You said what?
Why you playing?
Shit, I was working on that video. I was trying to get that video done. It was the easiest video to make, for real, for real.
Which one was
it? The new vacation home.
You like it there?
Yeah, straight as low key, straight. Out the way, quiet.
You guys didn't get pulled in the pool at all?
Hell no, for what?
Y'all be bored without me.
Get in the pool for shit, we was gone most of the time, shit.
We have to go back to PAPI Steak.
I don't want some of them lamb chops.
Oh my gosh. Alan, I think they got better. It should be right here.
They got VIP valet, which they probably don't right now because they got low.
Yeah.
Out there.
Is this parking? They was out there asking questions. They asked you stupid questions for YouTube.
Who they is?
Yeah, them, and then there's somebody else right across the street from Sexy Fish. Yeah, when we was down here walking yesterday, they was doing it. They was like, what's the only state in America that starts with a K? And it's crazy because it's an easy answer, but people be so caught up, you know? Like Kansas. Where's the garage at? Yeah,
and they ain't got no valet shit. What else we gonna do?
Get the shirts. Sexy fish.
That's crazy. They don't even do no valet.
Hi. Yeah, we had it for at 12, but we had to find parking. We thought you guys had valet. It's crazy because last time we came, it was nighttime. It was so packed. It's crazy because like we can see more now. Cause last time we sat back there, yeah. But it's like during the day you can see. Look at the ceiling. This place is crazy. Is this one of your new favorites?
It's not, I don't know. Let's give it the second time, second go around. Like
maybe we just got lucky the first time.
If they hit both times, then yeah.
Same thing as last time, we're gonna switch it up. Challenge.
I'm over here lost. I'm trying to get that same thing as last time for real. We want the pork bites.
I don't remember what that steak was called.
I'm about to tell you. Spicy beef, tenderloin, ribeye, Will we get the sweet corn rice last time?
Yeah. You want the wings again?
We can get what you want. We can get wings again. I like the wings. I want that rice and I want that whatever steak we had. What was the tenderloin? Or was it a spicy beef tenderloin? Cheers.
Thank you.
Big ass grape juice.
I'm ready to order.
Salt on the side as well as a caramelized lime.
Perfect, thank you. I last time they brought the wings out last. I wonder. Look at him shaking.
Look out that motherfucker.
And this is what?
That's ugly sauce.
We're gonna let you take the big first bite.
First bite.
First bite. See if it still tastes.
I ain't gonna lie.
They're hot.
Yeah, still.
I want to see if they still taste like they did the first time.
Tastes like we gotta let them cool down first. I'm gonna take another drink first. Them motherfuckers hot.
Coming with the mismo master floor, this is actually Japanese pen to clean your palate or between the bites.
Okay.
They had a pair last time.
No. Them probably hot too.
Hell yeah, but the stick ain't hot, that wing hot.
Still just as good? What's the sauce?
I don't remember what he said, but he said these are Japanese pears or something.
Taste one.
Just eat between each bite.
Come on, taste it. Let us know if it tastes the same way. Good? Thank you.
I thought I had like some sauce to go with it though last time. On trip.
The yum yum type of stuff? It's so pretty out here. We gotta go back to the parking garage.
Yeah, yeah.
You said Need for Speed?
GT3?
Oh.
Porsche. That's a charge, I like that purple. Mustache.
Sean, we just came out of Saks. And you didn't buy anything for once. Airport next to Allen. Trying up on one. This car makes his car look so small. That car next to your car makes your car look so small.
Challenger?
Yeah.
We're just 5 minutes away from paying $61 to park.